friends, welcome to Civil Engineering exam. Today we are going to see the MCQ related with environmental engineering. So the first question, which of the following causes a decrease in per capita consumption? Option A, use of metering system. Option B, good quality of water. Option B, better standard of living of the people. And option D, hotter climate. The correct answer is option A, use of metering system. Because the option B, good quality of water, better standard of living of the people, then hotter climate. So these are all increasing in the per capita demand. Okay, so only if you're using the metering system, so the people will conserve the water because of the charging. Next question, the hourly variation factor is usually taken as option A 1.5, option B 1.8, option C 2.0, option D 2.7. The correct answer is option A 1.5. Next question, the distribution means are designed for option A maximum daily demand, option B maximum hourly demand, option C average daily demand, option D maximum hourly demand on maximum day. So the correct answer is option D maximum hourly demand on maximum day. Next question, as compared to the geometrical increase method of forecasting population, arithmetic increase method gives option A lesser value, option B higher value, option C same value, option D accurate value. The correct answer is option A lesser value. Next question, the suitable method of forecasting population for a young and rapidly increasing city is option A arithmetic increase method, option B geometrical increase method, option C incremental increase method, option D graphical method. The correct answer is option B geometrical increase method. The depression of water table in a well due to pumping will be maximum. Option A at a distance r from the well. Option B close to the well. Option C at the distance r by 2 from the well. Option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B close to the well. Next question, the device which are installed for drawing water from the sources are called option A aquifers, option B accludes, option C filters, option D intakes. The correct answer is option D intakes. Next question, select the correct relationship between the porosity, specific yield and specific retention. Option A n equal to y plus r, option B y equal to n plus r, option C r equal to n plus y, option D r greater than n plus y. The correct answer is option A n equal to y plus r. Next question, the type of value which is provided on the suction pipe is tube well is option A air relief valve, option B reflux valve, option C pressure relief valve, option D sluice valve. The correct answer is option B reflux valve. Next question, the maximum discharge of tube well is about option A 5 liters per second, option B 50 liters per second, option C 500 liters per second, option D 1000 liters per second. The correct answer is option B 50 liters per second. Next question, groundwater is usually free from option A suspended impurities, option B dissolved impurities, option C both suspended and dissolved impurities, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A suspended impurities. Next question, the most common cause of acidity in the water is option A carbon dioxide, option B oxygen, option C hydrogen, option D nitrogen. The correct answer is option A carbon dioxide. Next question, the phenolic compounds in the public water supply should not be more than option A 0.1 parts per million, option B 0.01 ppm, option C 0.01 ppm, option D 0.0001 ppm. The correct answer is option C 0.001 ppm. Next question, the maximum permissible limit for fluoride in the drinking water is option A 0.1 milligram per liter, option B 1.5 milligram per liter, option C 5 milligram per liter and option D 10 milligram per liter. The correct answer is option B 1.5 milligram per liter. Next question, standard EDTA, that is ethylene diametic tetraacetic acid solution, is used to determine the option A hardness in water, option B turbidity in water, option C dissolved oxygen in water, option D residual chlorine in water. The correct answer is option A hardness of water. Next question, alkalinity in the water is expressed in the milligram per liter in the terms of equivalent. Option A calcium carbonate, option B magnesium carbonate, option C sodium carbonate and option D calcium hydroxide. The correct answer is option A calcium carbonate. Next question, turbidity is measured on option A standard silica scale, option B standard cobalt scale, option C standard platinum scale, option D platinum cobalt scale. The correct answer is option A standard silica scale. Next question, on standard silica scale, the turbidity in drinking water should be limited to option A 10 ppm, option B 20 ppm, option C 30 ppm, option D 50 ppm. The correct answer is option A 10 ppm. Next question, residual chlorine in the water is determined by option A starch iodide method, option B orthogonal method, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C both A and B. Next question, the dissolved oxygen level in the natural unpolluted water at the normal temperature is found to be the order of option A 1 mg per liter, option B 10 mg per liter, option C 100 mg per liter, option D 1000 mg per liter. The correct answer is option B 10 mg per liter. Next question, the length of the rectangular sedimentation tank should not be more than option A B, option B 2B, option C 4B, option D 8B, where B is the width of the tank. The correct answer is option C 4B. Next question, the settling velocity of particle in the sedimentation tank depends upon option A depth of tank, option B surface area of the tank, option C both depth and surface area of the tank, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B surface area of the tank. Next question, alum as a coagulant is found to be most effective when pH range of water is option A 2 to 4, option B 4 to 6, option C 6 to 8, option D 8 to 10. The correct answer is option C 6 to 8. Next question, the detention period in the coagulation tank is usually kept as option A 1 to 2 minutes, option B 30 to 45 minutes, option C 2 to 6 hours, option D 2 to 6 days. The correct answer is option C 2 to 6 hours. Next question, the chemical most commonly used in increasing the speed of sedimentation of sewage is option A sulfuric acid, option B copper sulfate, option C lime, option D sodium permanganate. The correct answer is option C lime. So lime is mostly used for as a coagulant. Next question, the rate of filtration in slow sand filter in the million liter per day per hectare is about option E 50 to 60, option C 100 to 150, option C 500 to 600, option D 1400 to 1500. The correct answer is option A 50 to 60. Next question, the effective size of sand particles used in slow sand filter is option A 0.25 to 0.35 mm, option B 0.35 to 0.60 mm, option C 0.6 to 1 mm, option D 1 to 1.8 mm. The correct answer is option A 0.25 to 0.35 mm. Next question, the percentage of chlorine in fresh bleaching powder is about option A 10 to 15, option B 20 to 25, option C 30 to 35, option D 40 to 50. The correct answer is option C 30 to 35 percentage. Again we'll see next video. Thank you.